Please remember me.
Dylan, you're like, please stop. But, like, during this week,
I'm looking for a new vagina. Any kinda new vagina.
flirt with Dylan. Yeah.
Dylan,
I do my hold up.
I want to work out in your garage.
Hi everybody.
Ding!
That was perfect.
We didn't do vocab.
Oh, fuck, that's right. Shit.
You never know.
Fuck, shit.
Loser.
Fuck.
We didn't get time.
When he's like horny, he'll be like, you like smell my hair and like,
He'll do what?
he'll be like,
Mr. Prince! Durga's call! I love it! You guys shut up!
House at Sunbridge at the haunted house, the people were like popping out, screaming, and this one chick popped out of a barrel and screamed at my face, so I screeched at her. I was screeching during the whole thing, but she like popped out and she's like, I was like, Brendan and Eric were dressed as bananas, and we were walking down completely deserted streets going, B, banana, banana, B, banana, B, banana.
it's like,
Maybe he's gonna be like the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Katrina that went here and had a kid. Put her in the trap like her Gloria, you go suck a chode.
It was like... The chisels right there.
Somebody walked by.
so it's what's...
I know.